In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Analytics to your WordPress website. So let's get straight into it. In order to connect Google Analytics to your WordPress website, I'm going to be using the Google Sitekit plugin on WordPress. And we have already installed the plugin, so I'm going to go to the dashboard. And then from here, I'm going to click onto Sitekit on the left menu just here. And then I'm simply going to click Sign in with Google. Now we will be taken to this screen. So the setup process will be verify the site ownership, then allow the site to access Google account data, and then it will set up Google Search Console. So I'll click Sign in with Google. And then I'm going to select the account that I want to sign in with. And then from here, I'm going to be giving Sitekit permission to do each of these things. So I'm simply going to click allow. And there we go. So that first part is done. So what I'm going to do is click go to my dashboard. And that will take me back to WordPress. And here we are inside the Sitekit plugin, which we are now logged into. So now what we need to do is connect to Google Analytics. So to do that, I'm going to click Connect Service just here. And then once again, you want to choose your Google account. And then allow Sitekit to access this data. And here we go. So now we want to select the account information below. So I'll select the account. And then I do not yet have a property within Google Analytics for this website. So I'll click Set up a new property. And then I'll click Configure Analytics. Now this will ask for additional permissions. So I'll click Proceed. And what this will do is create a new Google Analytics property in my Google account. So I want to select my Google account once more. And then I'm going to give it permission to edit Google Analytics management entities. So I will click Allow. And then I'll click Allow again. And now it is connecting the Google Analytics service. And there we go. So Google Analytics is now connected to our WordPress website, as you can see just here. You can also connect page speed insights to be able to see the page speed score for each of your WordPress web pages. But I won't be doing that right now. So I'll click OK, got it just here to hide this banner. And now, as you can see, the Sitekit plugin is gathering Google Analytics data for our website. So if I open a new tab and go to the Google Analytics website, we will see here that a property has been created for wpmasterclass.org. So we didn't even have to open the Google Analytics website to create the property because the Sitekit plugin did it for us within our WordPress website. So that is how good the Google Sitekit plugin really is. So now let's go back to WordPress and I'm going to refresh this page. And what I'm going to do from here is click Analytics on the menu over here. And then once the Sitekit plugin has finished gathering the data, you'll be able to access your Google Analytics data for your WordPress website within the Google Sitekit plugin. So that is how you connect Google Analytics to a WordPress website. That is all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned a lot. I will see you in the next one. Once again, thanks and goodbye.